Why do you?
We originally got started in FRX, a Microsoft product. That then when they determined they weren't going to use that anymore and support it, we loved Excel. We were looking for a way to continue to do that, and came across BizInsight. We came to the first conference that they had and just fell in love with the fact that it was Excel based and that it was similar to FRX that we were using, but found out that its functionality was so much bigger and fit the needs that we needed to do. So we use Excel in a lot of different areas. It just was BizInsight helped us in our month-end reporting, which was what FRX was doing. So it was a neat partnership for us to get into BizInsight to run those month-end reports and manipulate and analyze the data that we have.